First open Start and type WS reset. Right-click and select Run as Administration. This will clear all cache from your Microsoft Store. Solution 2. Open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administration. Copy and paste the text that you will find in the description of this video. Press Enter. If that didn't work, Solution 3. Open Start and type Services. Locate Windows Update. Open it. In Startup type select Automatic and press Apply and then OK. Now start the services. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Type exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Click on Apps. In Search type Store. Click on Microsoft Store and click on Advance option. Click on Reset. Now your problem should be fixed.